it's time to do some more half wrap experimentation. Got this exclusive color petal soft, which I just absolutely love. And I really just want to do like kind of like a sash knot situation with this silky sash. I'm going to show you. So this sash is just phenomenal. I love it. And what I'm going to do is tie it once up here so then it'll stay. And then I really want it like by the side. And then I will tie once here. Let's see. Oh, that looks cool. Okay. Yeah, I'll leave this here. This is like how the wraps go. And I'm filming it because like sometimes I come up with the most amazing cool things and then I don't know how to do it. So that's nice. Okay, so 2 knots there. We like that. And then I will do another knot here. Whoop-de-doo, that looks nice. Okay. And you know what? I'll bring this forward. Yeah, okay. We're gonna tuck this one away. And I will take the label out, but for now, love it.